welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be doing a little kind of cooking, a little something different. We're going to be making candles that are made from soy wax. I had recently got this candle making kit in the mail, and we're going to try it out for the first time. Let's go ahead, get on with the show. If you enjoy this. Alright, first of all, this is the wax we're going to be using. It's, like I said, it's soy wax. About 8 ounces. We're going to be doing 3 candles today. These are the wicks. And today I got caramel and sage scent, lemon blossom, lavender epiphany. These sticks are to help center the wick, hold it up straight when you pour the liquid wax. Got little sticky things to put on the bottom of the wicks to hold on the bottom. Here's going to be the candle holder for 2 of them. I got the other 2 all set up, so let's get this one set up. Take the peel of paper. Take the metal end, take it right on the sticky pad, pull it up, I'll take this. And I also got some old purple wax. I'm going to melt in with the one I'm going to use for lavender to try and give it a little bit of lavender color. Let's get on. As you can see, I got my 2 candle holders and a smaller one right here. Here's the pot I'm going to put inside the pot of water to help melt the wax, because you don't want to heat the wax over direct heat. You want to do a double boiler. We're going to go ahead and do the lavender first. So pour all this lovely wax in. Right there. Got something when I go to add the scent in. And I got a container here to hold the excess wax. So we're going to fill these about 90% of the way up. Crank the heat a little more. Get the water going. I don't know if you can tell, but the wax is starting to melt. Take this one, try and break it up into smaller pieces. Should have done this before, but oh well. Now kids, if you're watching this, be careful. Only do this under close parental supervision or adult supervision. The first time I've ever made a candle. I've used wax before, paraffin wax to be precise, to make fire starters. If you want me to show a video on that, go ahead and leave a comment on the comment section about it. Normally you'd be doing this with a wooden handled spoon or a wooden spoon. I don't have one, so gotta work with what I got. Get that piece sticker from the bottom off. Back down the heat a little. Also, let me know what your favorite candle scent, or if you like candles, are in the comment section. You can see the older wax, the other wax isn't really melting, so we'll just have to work with it as it is. Now, here's the lavender. Take it. Just dump it all in there. And vigorously stir it. For maximum scent throw. Okay, that off. Like I said, we're going to pour it in and fill about 90% of the way. Got a little extra wax in there, so we'll dump it in there. Okay. Alright, be right back and clean this out right quick. Okay, well, on our second one, should go a little bit faster now. So I only got one type of wax I'm working with on this one. This one's going to be the lemon blossom. Yeah. See how quick it went? Do be careful because the steam is hot and can burn you. Can and will burn you, I should say. Wax is almost there. All the wax is melted, so let's again dump the whole bottle in there. And stir vigorously. Oh yeah, I can smell the lemon on that one. ahead and mix it for 2 full minutes. I don't think I did that another one. Again, pour it in here. 90%, or 90% of the way full. Remaining in my little Now for the last one, it's going to be a smaller one, so I'm not going to use as much wax. I think that's good. And we're not going to use near as much scent either. This next one is called Chamomile and Sage. Now the candles would take about 2 full days to cure and dry all the way. So once they get dry, I'll do a quick update on video on my channel. Show you what they look like once it's fully dried. Yeah, I think that's about enough. If these turn out well, I will be making these as and selling them on Etsy. Gotta find out how these turn out and how they test. If you'd like to be a lucky participant and test out one of these candles, go ahead, leave a message and I'll get back to you. My contact information. Absolutely no charge to you, as long as you give an honest review of the candle. There we go. Turn off the stove now. Okay, so that's a little more than 90%. Now that wax, I poured in the little can when done, cools down when I can always remelt it. Granted, I have an obsolete scent, but hey. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. See you in a bit. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, as always, if you like this or any of my other videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and if you like this, give it a big old thumb up. And my name's Tom. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good evening.